Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Excellence. So today we are going to discuss the program to calculate the net salary of an employee. This is the main program that is asked in coding competition and interview time too. So let's get started. So here's my laptop screen and I've already written the basic program in the comment section. First, we have to include the library in it. That is include stdio.h and conio.h. Now after including the library, we will put the main function in it. Now in curly braces, we have to write our code. Now we will define the variable. And today we are using the float variable instead of integer. Int is used for integer value. But now we are using float. So now we are creating different variables. Now input, or we say basic salary, is input by user. Now by using scanf, user input the value and that will store in BS. Now after this, we have to take the value of DA, that is calculated by using BS asterisk 25 bracket close divide by 100. After this, we have to find out the value of HRA, that is calculated by BS asterisk 15. As it is given in question, it is only 15%, so we are multiplied by 15. And after that, we are using GS, that is for gross salary. And to calculate this, we are using BS plus DA plus HRA. After that, we are using PF, that is Provident Fund. To calculate this, it is given that at the rate of 10% of gross salary. So we are doing gross salary asterisk 10 bracket close divide by 100. And after that, net salary. NS is used for net salary, that is gross salary minus PF. Now we have to print our result by using printf function. So we are printing our result. Net salary is percentile F, and that is going to be shown by NS. So now include get ch and it's done. Now we have to compile this. One error is there. It is saying BS, sorry. Again compile that. Oh, it is all good. Now run the program. So we are giving input, that is 1000, and net salary is 1260. So it's done. I hope you like it and enjoy it. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you have any query regarding any topic, you can comment down. Thank you.